Hi, I'm Brian Mayer with RE/MAX One. I'm excited today to tell you about a unique opportunity in North Beach, Maryland that checks all the right boxes. Price, desirability, and location. I think these clients watch a lot of HGTV. Just wait till you see this house. Not too many places in North Beach that back up to woods. You can sit here in this large screened-in porch. There's a little creek that runs back behind the house, and you can see all the squirrels and the deer run through here. It's really peaceful back here. Not only is this house only 30 miles to Washington, D.C. and less than 20 miles to Annapolis, you can walk out your front door and stroll to some of the finest restaurants in Calvert County. One of the greatest things about living in Chesapeake Beach and North Beach is this boardwalk that they built. This is a great place to be able to walk your dog and just get outside and get some fresh air.